Hey guys, today's me again, and someone that requested from a squishy collection, so I decided to make one. And it took a long time. I haven't uploaded any collection anymore, so I decided to make one. I'm not sure what I'm telling, but I hope you guys understand. And also, these are not all my squishies because most of my squishies are going to be for sale, but I'm not going to show you guys them. So let's start. First, you guys can request for any videos, I believe. Hello Kitty. I have this light pink macaron. So sorry. Yellow macarons. This one is for sale, but I'm not sure. This one, I got 2 of these donuts. This hot spring one. And this one. This Collection-Part. This dough. I'm not sure what's its name. This blue macaron. This light pink donut. I have 2 honey toast. Okay. And then I have this green mushroom. Miss Pal, Miss Bunny, Mary, I love Moose. This Cheshire Cat, this donut, 2 toast, 2 color toast, this mushroom, strawberry and ice cream. This one. And then I have this My Melody. This one is still some of these are still for sale. This Collection-Part balloon. This Smurfy. This basketball. I only have one by myself. I have 3 Lego blocks for sale and for trade. This chip toast. This baby. This waffle, my favorite waffle. This one, the shortcake. These shortcake are not for sale, only the chocolate one. This marshmallow, this donut, this shortcake, these donuts from Strawberry Road. This marshmallow, this bun, this waffle, this bun. Here is the color fell off, so but I really love this. Here's donuts. This kids roll or Swiss roll. This one. Waffle. Vanilla donut, my favorite one. Biscuits. Milk chocolate bar. The packaging is really like old. This one got a lot of defects. This one also got a lot of defects. This one. And this one is not for sale or trade. I really hope I can get in other designs. And this one got so many defects, so. Next box. This cat. Stitch burger. This croissant. Mary burger. This one. Strawberry car. This Gorilla Kuma strawberry. This Gorilla Kuma. This strawberry, super soft. This Gorilla Kuma. This panda bun. This banjo. This Gorilla Kuma. That was a stressful, super hard. And sometimes my videos are not high quality, but that's alright about that. And it's only part 1. I'm gonna try to make the video shorter. Strawberry car, sorry. I'm not really explain about which squishy. Two better one. Minnie Mouse. It's onsen bun. Onigiri. Well, non-licensed. This one. This one. Hot pink one. This is My Melody People. And this cat's cow. The whole thing is squishy. So yeah. Oh my goodness. This one. This waffle. This one. This arrow. I got the double one for sale. So this part 1, and please go and watch part 2 if you enjoy this video. And I really hope you guys can watch part 2 though. So yeah, like and comments. Bye.